Hello my friends. So I was talking to a friend yesterday about food, obviously, because that is my favourite topic of discussion, and she has inspired me to make rosemary and olive savoury muffins. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make those together and presumably it's going to be delicious, but if it's not I will let you know. But I'm looking outside and there doesn't appear to be a single cloud in the sky, and it looks like a really wonderful day. So I'm thinking perhaps I should go to the park and then come back and we can smash some muffins. That sounds like a good plan to me. The only issue is that I don't fancy walking to the park because I'm really lazy, so I'm hoping this works. Jesus Christ, it worked. Right, let's go and explore the Botanical Gardens, shall we? Cool. I would pop outside with you, but it's really windy, so if you can hear that, I'm so sorry, but it's so much better than just being in my bedroom. So yeah, cornbread, it's the best. Off camera I've already eaten like 4 of these. Also I would like to add that I've got batter like all over my trousers and all over my jumper, so please excuse the state of me. But just going to place that bit on the table. I honestly struggle to tell you how I would improve it. I think what's really good and the thing that I quite like about it is that you've got the saltiness from the olives but the sweetness from the maple syrup, which is just awesome. So I will pop the website, I will pop the recipe up on my website and I will pop that in the description below. So should you fancy making it, then I fully encourage it because it's delicious. And I'll tell you what would be really good with it, like avocado or even like baked beans and rice and stuff, just to have something on the side. Yeah, but just look how fluffy it is. Honestly, I don't know why it's taken me 31 years to think, you know what, I might make my own cornbread. Not only that, but I don't even think I've had cornbread before, other than in a restaurant. Oh, it's so easy. Essentially, you put all the ingredients in a big old bowl, mix it, and then pop it in the oven for, 20 minutes on 200? Well, it's between 20 minutes and 25 minutes, but essentially you just want to make sure that the bottom doesn't burn. Look how perfect that is. Honestly. But yeah. Life hasn't really changed since the last time I spoke to you, with the exception that I now have cornbread in my life, which I didn't have before. It's like crunchy too. Honestly, you should definitely make it. And it's the rosemary as well. I need to eventually stop talking about it, but it's delicious. I hope I'm getting that across. Yeah, nothing's really changed. I think everyone back home is okay. People that I've spoken to, they seem in good spirits. My mum's getting better. Nothing's changed here. I'm still working. We've got 4 days off this weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, because of the Easter weekend, which is delightful. I probably will still work though, because ultimately I've got nothing else to do, and it will put me in quite a good position next week. But yeah, that's it really. I think that's it. I've got nothing else to report, so I'm gonna love you and leave you. But should you feel so inclined to at least consider subscribing, then you should definitely do that. But for the time being, I'm going to go, and I will speak to you all later. Well, I will come back in the next couple of days with a new recipe, and if there is anything in particular that you fancy me making, or perhaps a non-vegan dish that you would like me to veganise, leave a comment below and I will see it. Right, speak to you later. Peace.